Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your Motorola Moto G55. So first, what we want to do is we want to remove a screen protector or case. Basically, when a screen protector is poorly applied or it just doesn't fit your screen, it can cause ghost touches. So whenever it's not touching the screen anymore, it's just touching the side of the phones, it can cause ghost touches around here, and that can make your screen even less responsive, and it can also cause the ghost touches, so the touches that you did not make. Now for the case, if it covers a little tiny part of the screen, it can already cause the ghost touches, so I would recommend actually removing it to see if that fixes the issue. Now we can clean the screen to remove any debris or moisture. It can also help a lot with the ghost touches. So grab a microfiber cloth. Now let's just give it a few swipes. And after those swipes, everything should be okay. Now for the last step, what you guys can do is update your software to fix any touch glitches. It's a very common glitch. It happens to almost any phone, anytime. So basically, what I mean by that is that it might be the software issue and not your phone's. So scroll down until you guys see the system updates and click on check for updates. As you guys can see, everything looks good for me and I'm using the latest version of the software. Now, if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It can fix these glitches. And if you already do have the latest version, then you can either downgrade or wait for the newer update. So if none of that worked, even after the update, then I would recommend visiting the service center for a checkup. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.